Welcome. Today in front of me HUAWEI Nova Y90 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first let's open notification panel, and if you want to add here or remove some of these icons or just to change their positions, you should click here on the right upper corner to edit icon and click to edit swatches. And after that, if you want to add here to notification panels some just of these icons, you should hold the icon and after that drag it here to this up section by this way. Then just to save the changes, click here to done, and that's it. If you want to remove some icons by the same way, just hold it and drag it to the down section, and to change their positions just by the same way, hold it and drag it and just tap here to done, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.